Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore the tube object in WinCC. It's an essential tool for creating a pipeline, conduit, or other similar structure in the WinCC SCADA project. So, what exactly the tube object in the WinCC? The tube object, sometimes referred to a polytube. So Polytube is a powerful tool that allow you to create a flexible curve or straight pipeline in the WinCC graphics screens. So let's see some example. As you can see here, we are using this tube object from the starting of pump, like inlet of pump and the outlet of pump. And similar manner, the wall, inlet and outlet, we are using the tube object. So whether you are designing a simple pipeline or complex network of pipeline, the tube object provides the flexibility and control you needed. So let's start by creating our first tube object. So, so here how you can do it in just few easy steps. So open the WinCC Explorer, then open the Graphic Designer, and inside Graphic Designer we already developed in our previous tutorial main screen. So just open it. So our Graphic Designer is open now. So here I already developed few of the tube objects. So I will delete it and we'll see how we can import these tube objects. So now I want to add the pump inlet and outlet tube object. So come here. Here is the tube object. So I will select the polygon tube and then I will just create a one pipeline and double click it here to end the pipeline. Okay. So now I will reduce the width of this pipe. So you have to come here in style and then line weight, double click, and I will put it the width 10. Okay, then come here in the effect. I want to change the color of this polygon tube. So I will select the global color scheme, put it false, no. Then I will select the color, line color. I want this color. Okay. Okay. Now I will adjust it, the width, like I want 100, like then the X position, I will put it like 490 and Y. Okay, perfect. And now I want to change this polygon tube color once my pump is stopped. So come here in the color and then the line color and right click over the dynamic and select the dynamic dialog and we'll select the tag for on one feedback is by run signal and then select the data type Now I want once the pump is run, then the color should be green and select OK. So that's it. Now I will just right click and duplicate it and I will put it here. I will increase the line width. I will put 160 and then the X position I will change and I will put some Y position. Okay, fine. And I will bring top by this wall also and the pump also. Okay, again. So I will change. No need to change because I already select the form one run status. If you come here, dynamic dialog. So I want once input and output pump should be green once the pump run feedback is received. Okay, now I will again duplicate to put this polygon tube over the outlet of the inlet valve 1. So I'll reduce the width, like I will put the width 145 and access, oh, access, okay. I'll put here 99 and the y-axis little bit up. Okay, fine. Um, little bit I will put left because it's overlapping with the tank, and I will put it like that. Okay. Now I want once my inlet wall is open, on that case this should show the green color. So if you come here in the inlet wall, so as you can see, I select the inlet one my tag. So here also come in the color, right click dynamic, and I will change the tag. Like inlet one will be the tag. Select OK. Okay. So this previous feedback tag I have to remove it. Okay. Okay, no error. Select OK and save it and then run the project. So here you can see our runtime screen is open now. And if I will remove the true signal from these walls, so as you can see, it's showing the normalize. So once I will turn on the pump, so you can see as we just now configure, like the polygon tube, once the value is true, it should show the green color. Once the value is normalized, it should show the gray color. And similar manner, the inlet wall 1 also, once the value is true, in that case, it should show the green color. So, Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure the tube object and the polygon tube inside the WinCC SCADA, and how we can design any type of the pipeline structure or diagram. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.